How do I add an environment change? Your surroundings can make or break your habits. Panbit helps you design an environment that supports success. While creating a habit, the last step will allow you already to add a habit environment change. But at any time, you are allowed to add more environment changes. Not only that, we encourage you to do it. We will give you 300 Panbit points for each change. Here are the instructions on how to add an environment change once you already have created your habit. Open the habit details from the homepage by clicking on the name of the habit instead of clicking on the sphere. Go down to the area that says Done Any Environment Changes. Should be at the end of the page. Click on Add Attachments. Describe your change, for example, placed running shoes by the door, or keep a water bottle on my desk. Take or upload a photo as proof. It's fun and keeps you accountable. Press Add and earn Panbit points for each environment change you log.